Welcome to the ESI CES 2019 Virtual Booth Tour. During CES, we will be demonstrating many of our virtual prototyping technologies, starting with the virtual reality capabilities to determine, evaluate, and improve human-centric assembly process planning. In this example, you'll have an opportunity to step within a proposed virtual manufacturing environment to evaluate the feasibility of manufacturing a new vehicle. Additionally, you can tour our virtual inspections chamber, where we're going to look for the visual quality of sheet metal stamped products planned for our future vehicle. Take an opportunity to look around as we walk through virtual tour of our booth. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing you at CES 2019.